In this video, what I'm going to do is go over this COBIZI pop-up kind of tent slash canopy slash kind of outdoor screening in area. How about that? And it's kind of like a gazebo style. This is something that's great for anyone that's maybe doing backyard barbecues or maybe even a birthday party or something like that. But what I'm going to do with this one is put it right in between this spot right here. I did measure this out. It is a 12 by 12 like length and width. It is supposedly a one-person setup. I'm going to put that to the test because I am a solo person out here, and it came just like this in this bag. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and open it up. Check it out. Nice quality zipper. Listen to that zipper. Don't you just love a good zipper? How that sounds right there. Open it up. It kind of looks like a big umbrella, everybody. Yeah, there's that. A little bit of set of instructions right here. Okay, here it is. It's a screen tent manual instructions, and looks pretty simple. You got a little bit of assembly on some poles right there. You've got a screen. I do like the fact, oh, it is. You just get in the middle and pop this thing up. Yeah, just like that. Well, that's pretty easy. And these must be some extra tent poles right here. I'm going to figure this out. There's the cover that goes on it, and there's some stakes for it. Yeah, let me go ahead, get this thing out, and then we'll set it up and see what it looks like, and we'll go from there. You know what? That quick, I've almost got it set up. And this must be, I think this is some stakes for staking it down. Yep. We all like a good stake. Let's see if I can do it by myself. I looked at the instructions, so I kind of know what's going on with it. Whoa! That's working. That seemed to work. It is, it's like a little dome. You basically pop this one side out. I looked a little wonky when I did it, but I think with some practice, I could really throw this thing up quickly. This looks awesome. This kind of looks like a little biodome. You can see the COBIZI up here. Now it does have these walls. I am going to go ahead and put these walls on, and check out how simple this is. See these little Velcro pieces right here? It just has these Velcro pieces that go down. So you're going to cover all of this up, and you can have this as kind of like a sealed wall in there. Let me just show you the inside. So inside of here, actually that looks to be maybe 8 feet. That's impressive. I like that. That is high. Right here's the front door zip. So you get in here, you zip it up like that. It looks like it has some pockets down here for sand. And right here is a little hole for your tent stakes. But yeah, let me go ahead and put the walls on this thing and let's see what it looks like. But so far, I really like the looks of this thing. Okay, there it is, everybody. It's completed. I've got the sidewalls on. Now, the only thing that I didn't do, you see the actual little kind of ropes right here and the extra stakes. Where these ropes go are, you see these hooks right here. What it'll do, it'll pull it tight right there. And you got to remember to pass these little loops through the actual like walls. And check out, there's a double-sided Velcro right here, and these are super simple to take on and off. Another hook right there, and I added these stakes down right here, so all of the corners are staked. Now there is one thing that I found. So those two extra poles, see right here on the door, remember to put these extra poles. All I did was stick one in there, kind of bend it in the middle, and then put it right there, and it adds structure to the door. You can move this in a little bit and maybe straighten this up, but I don't mind it like this. This looks really good, everybody. I am very impressed. This is a high quality thing. I put my 2 chairs in here. I'm gonna put like a table in here, and I'll be completely set up. This is great, like mosquito barrier. This is that very fine mosquito mesh, so you ain't got to worry about mosquitoes getting to you. So right here is the actual sandbag. So if you're on the beach, you could really load that down with sand. I might put a brick on it, honestly, just to hold it in place in my backyard. It might be one of the easiest kind of gazebo setups that I've ever seen, that's for sure. Check it out. Just turn that. I did that one-handed, and then you could just zip it up just like that. You know what? Zip it up. Actually, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to zip it up. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the COBIZI. Maybe that's what it is. COBIZI screened in canopy with walls, mosquito net. See y'all in the next video.